Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, we're here in Antipolo. Ongoing construction to, pero I can guarantee you, trusted builder to, promise. Okay, so yung amenities natin sa area, meron tayong adult and kiddie pool, meron basketball court, playground, clubhouse of course, and 24/7 gated and well guarded po yung subdivision. Okay, ito pinapakita ko lang community. Promise, very peaceful yung community. Quiet place po talaga. So yung perspective papakita ko, alam ko eh. Ayan. Ayan. So kung hindi nyo masyado playback nyo lang or stop nyo para makita nyo. Yung reservation fee natin dito is 100,000. Okay? Imagine nyo na lang muna, no? 200 square meter yung lot area natin dito. Tapos sa ground floor, naka high ceiling yung ating living area. Meron tayong lanay, front and back garden. 2 parking space, may guest room. Yung guest room may sariling toilet and bath. Right? Then meron tayong maid's room and common toilet and bath din sa ground floor. Right? Then sa second floor naman natin, meron tayong 3 bedrooms including the master's bedroom. Lahat ng bedrooms may toilet and bath, pero yung sa master's bedroom plus walk-in closet siya and a balcony. Right? So if interested, message lang kayo. Very rare na po yan. 200 square meter yung lot area natin dyan. Okay, yung number namin nandyan naman, nakapost naman po sa screen. Message lang. Free consultation naman po tayo, especially when it comes pagdating sa magiging approval nyo sa bank loan. Alright? So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.